Now, whenever student comes across a question that looks like this, it's actually a nightmare, especially when the variable of the alphabet is greater than 2, it becomes a problem. Now, this is what you should do. It's actually easy. Now, I have 4y raised to power 3 is equal to 256. It's actually easy. And the first thing I have to do is to isolate the value of y cubed. And this is what I'm going to do. Now, isolating it means I have to divide both sides by its coefficient. And the coefficient of y cubed happens to be 4. So I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Okay, now this is going to give me 64. So now the first step I took is to isolate y cubed. Isolating y cubed means I have to divide both sides by its coefficient, and the coefficient of y cubed happens to be 4. So I divided both sides by 4, and y cubed is on its own, and 4 into 256 gave me 64. Now next, I need y, not y cubed. Now I have to remove the cube. Removing cube means I have to introduce its inverse, and the inverse of cube is cube root. So I'm going to multiply both sides by the inverse of cube, which is cube root. And this becomes okay. Now this is going to cancel out. So finally, I'm left with y is equal to the cube root of 64. And the cube root of 64 happens to be 4. Now, cube root simply means I should look for a number that will multiply itself in 3 places to give me 64. And the number that will multiply itself in 3 places to give me 64 happens to be 4. Because 4 times 4 is 16 times 4 is 64. So therefore, my y is equal to 4. That is it.